Hello, my name is Johan Falk. I'm a math and physics teacher in Stockholm, Sweden. This is a quick demo of something I tossed up recently. It's a way of sharing files in Google Drive. Just a sketch so far, but I think it's worth sharing. You might be aware of the problem that you can have a folder shared with some people, and they can edit this folder so they can add files to it, and that's kind of useful if you have a class or a set of colleagues or whatever. But then if they all can edit the folder, they can also mess up each other's files, which is not always so good. They might even delete files and so on, which is, well, not the way you want it to be. This script uses Google contact groups to assign folders, create and manage folders, and then you have one drop folder in your Google Drive where everyone can add files, and then once every minute a script runs and moves these files that you drop here to the folders corresponding to the groups that people are placed in. So, for example, I have here my school account, also called Johan Falk, which is a member of, let's have a look here, 4 groups here: my contacts, physics, IT, and test group. Let's actually create one more group here. Another group. Okay, so we have here another group, and let's that was stupid, let's go back. Just gonna show you Johan Falk here. Let's place me in another group, not in the test group or something. Okay, so this script here, now I have to reload this page, reads my contact groups, and I can select which groups I want to use in this script to manage as some kind of Dropbox things. So another group, physique, IKT, and test group. These are all groups that should have shared folders. And I'll click update folders. And here in Google Drive right now you can see that folders are being created. So we can see here test group, IKT, physique, and another group all have their own Dropbox here, where people can view but not edit. And you have this drop folder where people can edit. If I reload this page here now, I will also get folder links here. They should be updated when pressing this button, but I haven't done that yet. But I skipped this. Well, yeah, you get it. If I go over to Firefox, where I'm logged in as my other Google account, you can see I have access to view all these folders. Right now I have access to all of them. You might want to reconsider that. If I go into the drop folder, I can edit stuff here. Let's actually try. If I go into another group and try to add something, say this to-do file here, it will say no access, no can do. Go to the drop folder, drag the to-do here, and it will upload. Do you want to upload and share? Yes, I do. Uploading, sharing. I can do this with as many files as I want, of course. Now, once every minute, this script will run. Let's actually trigger that right now. Let's run the move files. Go. Now, this script checks if there are any files in the drop folder, and if so, checks the owner of that file, each file, and checks what groups are this owner member of, and sends the file to the corresponding folders where you have view-only access by default. So let's see here, back to Firefox, my other account. Nothing is in the drop folder now. If I go back to, say, another group, I can find the to-do here. I can also find it in physique, which I'm also a part of, to-do here. but I should not be able to find it in the test group because I'm not a part of that group. So you might think about this as if you are teachers on a school, you might want to share files with, say, physics teachers and math teachers, but not history teachers or English teachers. Or you might be part of a group that teaches advanced physics or, I don't know, European history or whatever. And you can share with only those if you want to. Now, since this my school account is owner of this file, I can still delete it if I want to, but no one else can do that, and I can edit it because I'm the owner. But in this folder, in general, I have only view access, and that's kind of useful, I think. Yeah, okay, so that's it. And you can here in this script, if you feel that, well, this IKT group shouldn't really have a folder anymore, you can update, and then that folder is trashed. If I reload here, we will no longer have a link here, and the folder has disappeared in my Google Drive. This script requires that you have one central account that manages all these folders, which is probably fine if you have a school account or so. Yeah, that's it. The script isn't done yet. It's still ugly code. This is only just trying out stage, but I got it working and it seems to be doing fine. I would like to extend it to have a better way of updating access to the folders. So you get access only view access only to the folders where you are a member. At a school, that's probably not a problem because it doesn't matter if the physics teachers see the history teachers' files, but it kind of makes sense to only view your own folders. And it might get messy if you have 200 folders on the school and you only need access to 7 of them. And that isn't done yet. I'm also working on some kind of rescanning of group members, so the script can know if this another group, for example, has changed the number of members or people members in it, because then the access to the another group folder needs to be updated. But yeah, working on it slowly. If you find this interesting, feel free to ping me. The best way to find me might be emailing me. You can email me at johan@växjönexus.com. That's my email address. You can also find me at Twitter /magisterfalk. That's me. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. See you some other time.